Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a comparison between the Louis Vuitton Kirigami set and the Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette. I had to do this comparison because I had mentioned in the past that these two are the exact same price. So with the rapidly increasing prices from Louis Vuitton, the Mini Pochette somehow has reached the same level in terms of price as the Kirigami set. So if you're wondering how in the world, how in the world? So these are 3 pouches in one set. That's $745. This is one pouch by itself for $745. I don't know if maybe the zipper and the chain and the construction of the Mini Pochette is just harder and more time consuming and takes more craftsmanship, but all I see with my eyes is 1, 2, 3 versus 1, as simple as can be. And to me, they cannot be worth the same. It's crazy. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit more in depth about the Kirigami set. We all know how this works. This is a nesting set. So you open it up. The little one has this beautiful pop of kind of like a wine color on the inside. The middle size has a cherry red on the inside. I mean, it's very nicely done. And then the largest one has the beautiful rose ballerine, the pastel pink. So it's very tidy and neat like this. It's called Kirigami because it is a version of origami, which means that it's all one piece of canvas folded neatly, and then it just closes with this little snap closure. So I think it's very chic, it's very minimalist, and I'm just still surprised that these don't sell as well because, number one, I see them sitting on the website for days and days on end, and they don't sell out. Whereas sometimes the Mini Pochette is a lot harder to get, although I will say I wonder if Louis Vuitton has reached their price ceiling because I do see these sitting on the website from time to time as well, which was like unheard of in the past. But I digress. And these right here, they were not impacted in the last price increase. I've mentioned that before. So the last time the prices went up, almost everything was affected, but the Kirigami set was not. So that tells me that it will probably be affected in the upcoming round of increases. I did a video recently talking about the increase history. I know some of you were sort of shocked when I went through the history and also the trends, and I made my own predictions on what I think we'll see in the next round of increases. But anyway, this one here, 1, 2, 3 is one set. So let me tell you, I've got this one full of stuff, and soon in the video I'm going to take everything out, show you what's in here, and I'm going to transfer it into the middle one because I think that's the most comparable size. But first let me tell you that this one is perfect for cards, cash, coins, as a little mini compact wallet. That's what I use it for, and I think it's perfect for that. It's a little bit more forgiving than a card holder, which is kind of flat and sometimes rigid. This is a little bit roomier and more malleable. There are 10 cards that I have in my hands here, 10 gift cards or credit cards, and you can see they all fit pretty nicely with no bulging. So yeah, it does fit quite a bit there. And then I've mentioned before that the middle one I think is perfect for travel if you want to use this as a passport holder. I've got this set of 4 passports for my family, and it fits beautifully. You can probably squeeze 1 more for sure, maybe even 2 more if you have a larger family, and voila, perfect. But for those of you who would not want to use this as a passport holder, but you wanted to use it as a little catch-all for your bits and bobs like you would with the Mini Pochette, let me show you. These are my little things that I take with me pretty much everywhere. Here's what it looks like. The one with the Dami Ibn has the pop of cherry red. The one with the monogram has the brown lining. I have that one as well. I bought it to save for my daughter. And then the Dami Azur has the pink lining. So first is my No Shinku hand sanitizer. This is an all-time favorite. I've talked about this. This is in the eucalyptus scent, which I love. I love that it's super slimming like this, and it uses all natural ingredients and it doesn't dry out my hands. I'll link all of the products that I talk about in my description box below if you're interested, so you don't have to go hunting for them. So that fits really nicely. This one here, my hand lotion cream, this is my favorite from L'Occitane. I think you guys who've been here a long time are probably sick of seeing my regulars, but you know I don't really change my mind often. What I love for a long time. Here is a lip balm from Olivia Palermo, and I'm really enjoying this. I got this as a gift from my friend Elma. Put that in there. And then I've got this one, running low, my Hermes Rose Lip Balm. And then I've just got like this hand wipe from the airplane. Some Benadryl for my son, he's allergic. And then hair tie, and of course I have some Band-Aids because I've got kids and they get hurt. So that fits beautifully with no problem whatsoever, and I can squeeze a few more things in there. So I would say capacity-wise, it is very similar to the Mini Pochette, and size-wise on the outside, it's very similar as well. The Kirigami pouch is a little bit bigger, but it's also a little bit slimmer. You see that? I'll show you from this way. But it's very comparable. And because of the folding here, it's roomy, it's pliable, it's forgiving, so it's not rigid. Okay, I'll just spill this all out again because I'm going to show you something else. So there's that. Now this is the largest size, and I know some of you like to use this as a clutch or even as a bag, so you can get something like this. I got this insert. Isn't it so pretty? It's a matching pink from ZOOMONI. I have a 20% off promo code from ZOOMONI because I'm a big fan of theirs, and whenever I can share promo codes, I do down below. It'll be in my description box. Not sponsored or anything like that, just sharing if you want to save some extra money. But it comes with these D-rings, and then I attach this chain. This chain doesn't come with it, but I attach this chain. My favorite chains are from Dress Up Your Purse or Organize My Bag. I have plenty from both of them. They're my favorites. I have promo codes for both of them as well. So again, check my description box for any of those. So you put this in and you get extra pockets to organize your little items. You've got the rings so you can add a chain or a strap, and you can turn this into a shoulder bag, a crossbody bag. You can double it up, have it short. You can play around with this. I'll be honest with you, I have not worn it as a bag, and again, I'll be honest with you, I have not used this large pouch yet because I couldn't figure out what to use it for, and I mentioned that before in previous videos. And I do know that this fits a iPad mini perfectly. I don't own an iPad mini, so that's no use for me, but it does fit perfectly. Let me show you if you want to use it as a clutch. Here is an iPhone, just an empty phone case, but it's a plus size, so it's like the big size, and it fits very easily. Then my key pouch. I have to have my keys if I'm using this as a clutch. A compact. My sunblock, I am obsessed with sunblock and protecting my skin. This is my favorite from MD Solar Sciences. I actually went on a girls trip recently at the tail end of the summer, and they were all like wanting to try my sunblock because it's really creamy and really good, and it's SPF 50. So I'll try to link it down below as well if I can remember. And then lipstick, another lipstick or lip balm, lotion, Band-Aids, hand sanitizer, wipe, and then Benadryl and hair. I mean, it's kind of messy, but you get the point. So, oh my gosh, so easy. All of that. Everything that was in the Mini Pochette, plus extras, like phone and everything, fits, and there's like no problem closing it, no bulging. Wow, and it's very handy. I could probably slip in my passport here too, but the only thing is it's a little messy because of the items that I chose, but like if I wanted to just take my one passport, yeah, I can get that in there and then just sort of shimmy this around. Oh my gosh. I've not tried this before actually. I'm pleasantly surprised with how it feels. So, pour everything out. You can kind of get a glimpse of what my setup looks like after I'm done filming, you guys. It's always messy and I have to do a cleanup job after filming videos. So let me push this to the side. So what do you guys think? Do you guys agree with me in terms of value if they're the same price? Do you think this is more bang for your buck than this one here? I would say so, for sure. I'm a really big fan of the Mini Pochette. You guys know that. I love this thing. I use it a lot. But if I were to start all over again and I was given the choice between these two, well, I don't know. Actually, for $745, yeah, I did pay $745 for this. So I guess, yes. This, no, I don't think I can stomach paying $745 for this right now. I don't know. Anyway, I hope that was helpful. And if you just want to get away from Louis Vuitton altogether, that's cool too. I have done a few videos recently talking about affordable alternatives that I really stand behind. I like the quality, the value, the price. They're affordable alternatives to popular designer items such as these. So if you missed those videos and you're interested, I'll also link them down below in my description box. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.